You showed me this spreadsheet with like 10,000 lines in it that nobody's necessarily making, but AI is using it. How else are like we jumping, like embracing AI?
It's a lot of things. I think we're looking for the high payoff value things first. And really for us, I think that's starting in data management of what are the things that people are manually having to do. And so, our SKU list is 15 or 20,000 items that we currently have in our database. And so somebody had to manage that database and update pricing when we get it from the different thousands of different vendors we get. And so we're now have an AI engine that performs that. We feed it information, it sorts it, organizes, pulls out the correct information, formats it, and then updates that for us. And so that's just been something this quarter that we haven't even fully implemented it, but it's about 90% finished. And even something as simple as tracking numbers, we've built an AI engine to receive. We place millions of dollars of purchases each year. And that means products, and we have to know where they're going and when they're going there. And so we're using AI to help track and scrape email inboxes and things that locate that tracking number, attach it to a project and a purchase order, put it in a displayable, relevant format to help us know where this piece of gear is or tracking. And so that's, again, saved us a ton of man hours in that.
Are you doing this, or do we have like an AI wrangler that's able
to... we do. I like your term better. We call him AI guy, but I like AI wrangler better.
Or AI whisperer?
AI whisperer. We do have one of those. So again, I'm the inventor. I have a lot of ideas, and I feed it to the AI inventor dude, and he tells me what we can or can't do. And so that's a newer partnership we formed, but it's pretty cool.
Well, Tyson, I got one more question for you. Just where do you see the future of Summit? Maybe not even necessarily specifically Summit, but of church AVL.
I don't read the gear magazines anymore as much as I used to. Still go to some trade shows and things, but so much of our team is more up to speed on all the technology and different things in the world that we operate in now, and so I couldn't tell you the exact latest tech. But something that we focus on isn't just the technology. It's about the usability of it and how it serves the vision of the people we're trying to work with. Just putting up the best PA or the fanciest LED or the coolest cameras, that only moves what your ceiling is or your floor is about the quality you're going to get. But if you don't know how to use it, if it doesn't fit in your system, if it's not reproducible, the results could actually be far worse than a less expensive piece of gear. And so I think part of the future and the vision of what we continue to try to create is how do we set up the churches to be successful at the way they want to use technology in the most effective way possible, whether that's volunteer, whether that's automated, right? Meaning, is that time code? Is it something like that? Whether it's or whether it's a staff or paid position. Each church is unique in that, and so we have to explore and say, how do we allow this technology to be used the most maximal way possible? Because that's where you're getting when you bring stewardship into the picture. Man, that's where I'm getting the best return on whatever it is. And so some of the most fun examples and systems and customers that we work with are the ones who are squeezing every drop of juice out of the gear they can. You walk in, they show you what you're doing, and it's just, you're amazed. And it's like, how the heck are you making it do all that? There's a little bit of, baling wire and duct tape situation sometimes, but it's actually really encouraging. This is, holy cow, you're utilizing this for every bit you can. And then that also tells you when you do upgrade, when you do elevate the ceiling of the equipment, it's going to actually pay off. You're going to see a result from it. And so I think that's something we continue to see, how products integrate better together. Even the service piece of it is really important, especially for churches who go multi-site. you quickly have a big need to service and keep the maintenance of the equipment working consistently. And so as products become smarter, talk to each other, give real-time updates and status things more and more, it becomes easier for people to maintain and use. And so those are some of the just advances even in the last few years that have been incredible, that allow churches to do more with the team they have, or even allow us to help leverage in. When we can tap into a piece of gear through a network and see and give some feedback as to what might be going on, it helps them resolve something sooner. So that's pretty fun.
Yeah, that's amazing. That we can work on stuff from wherever, like from Colorado, we can help you out in New York.
Yes.
So yeah, the future's bright. Well, Tyson, thanks for chatting with me. I would just say, as Jocko says, there's no bad teams, only bad leaders. But you've got a great team. So you and Nick are doing great. And as far as I can see, our team's awesome, and everybody's loving what they're doing and happy about the future at Summit. So thanks for leading the way that you do with Nick.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, we have an incredible team. We always have, and the team evolves. That's normal in any organization. I think it's a myth to think that you'll have the same team for 20 years in an organization, and you might have a few people that are there for 20 years. But we've had to learn that and grow that, and continue to find the right people for the right season we're in. And man, we've got the best of the best, and we're thankful to have them.